Hey guys, my name's Nathan. I'm with Bluegrass Soft Wash. Today we're going to be talking about pressure washing versus soft washing. We got the pressure washer wand right here with the 25 tip, and we got the soft wash wand. As you can see, this siding is extremely dirty. I'll try to squat down. It's probably up there on one of the dirtiest ones that I've cleaned, and we're going to just see the big myth of, is pressure washing, do you only need pressure washing? When you call somebody, do you expect somebody to use high pressure on their house? Well, we're going to find out what happens when you do that. And then you're going to find out why you want to hire somebody who is a soft wash company like Bluegrass Soft Wash. All right, you're going to see the benefits of soft washing. Some of the cons, maybe we might talk about some of the cons, which there really isn't any cons. And then we'll show you why pressure washing is bad and why you don't want to have that done. All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to shoot two intros, one for this video. I'm also shooting another video just for the siding, just because of how bad it is. So I'm going to move the camera up here and we'll see what happens. All right, we're up against the house. You can see pretty dirty siding, right? Now, a bunch of algae, bunch of mold, bunch of mildew. We're going to take care of that. But this is soft washing versus pressure washing. Let's see what happens. So I got the pressure washer wand. As you can see, we got the 25-degree tip. That's what most homeowners think they need to use. Actually, some homeowners like to do the straight shot, the zero tip, meaning it's like a pencil stream. That's going to do the most damage and clean the less. And oftentimes, you'll see holes in siding. It's from people using this zero tip and getting up close like this. You also see streaking. It's usually from the zero tip. But this isn't going to do all that much damage, but we're going to see how well it cleans, right? Cleans, or should I say blast off, because this is what it's going to do. So I'm gonna record this. Let's see what happens. All right, on camera, I'm sure that looks really good, you know, but I wonder if you can see this edge here. But let's bring you in closer and let's see what the real results are. All right, as you can see, there is still mold, mildew, and stuff like that on there. It did not clean at all. Set you back up here. So when I said blast off, we're actually blasting off. You know, this is only water we're talking about. You can't really chemically clean with water. So that's why we're going to use a soft wash. Now, I was pretty close to siding, and you know, imagine having a pressure wash, using high pressure like this, little sections at a time on a whole house. I would be here 20 times longer at least if I wasn't soft washing and if I didn't know about soft washing. So this is what the 45-degree tip looks pretty good on camera, like I said, but we're going to see what real results come from soft washing. All right, before we get to soft washing, I'm going to quickly describe and inform you on what soft washing is. So soft washing is, we're basically going to spray a solution onto your siding. It's an algicide with a low pressure system. This one's rated at around 60 to 100 psi, depending on how I had the setting. So we're not dealing with pressure here. We're not trying to blast off any debris on the siding. So this is a low pressure treatment. All right, we're going to treat the siding. It's going to kill all the algae, mold, and mildew. It's going to loosen up the dirt and the spider webs and stuff like that. It's not going to get rid of kind of rust or oxidation, which is pretty typical, but this process is not damaging to the siding whatsoever. It's actually recommended by the manufacturers of the siding and shingles, and soft washing isn't just for siding. You know, it works on shingle, roof cleaning. Roof cleaning's big. If you follow my channel, you know I'm into big into roof cleaning. The siding, we pre-treat our concrete. Concrete still has to pressure wash. There's really not a whole lot of ways around that. You know, brick, fencing, wood, pretty much any exterior surface, we're going to use the soft wash wand. And if you're interested in how our setup is, leave me a comment and I'll get to you. But let's see what the soft wash does. As I'm spraying, it's low pressure. I'm not up against the siding like this. I'm just going to get good coverage. Now, since this siding is so dirty, it may take a couple coats to fully treat it. As a matter of fact, I almost guarantee that it's going to need a couple coats. Now, I may even up the percentage. Oh, there goes a frog. I may even up the percentage to help clean a little bit faster. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. While I do that, y'all watch the siding and watch how that algae just disappears. Alright, I turned up the strength a little bit. Can you tell the difference already? As you can see, it's kind of slowly just disappearing and dissolving. Let's get you up a little closer. So we don't have these results yet. Now, as you can see, I also sprayed that, and all that brown is almost gone. Come over here to the dirty side. You can kind of see where the overspray is hit. That'll get clean eventually once I spray that side. But let's move you back. So, if I said pressure washing was bad, why do I have the pressure washer still? So, the solution that I spray with soft washing actually kills all the algae, mold, and mildew. Now, when it's real bad like this, I'm going to use the pressure washer and help knock it off. I'm not going to get up close like this, like I was showing you earlier. I'm going to stay back and just get water on it enough to knock off the dead algae, because all that brown right there, all that's dead. It's done, it's ready to be sprayed off. Sometimes really you just want it to dissolve completely and then you're ready to rinse. That's the same thing with roofs. When we clean a roof, all the black streaks either get dissolved completely or they turn brown because they're dead and then the rain gets them off. So we still need to rinse, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put a time lapse at the end of this video cleaning the rest of the siding. And then we'll go from there. I'll bring you back at the end of the video and take a look closer and see what the results are. Alright, we're back. It's been about 10-15 minutes. I had to clean this side. Now it's not completely done. I'm going to spray it one more time, but look at the difference. Soft washing versus pressure washing. Which one? Come back to this section. Looks pretty clean to me. Now we still got a little bit of residual down at the bottom. Most of this is mud stains. So there you have it, soft washing versus pressure washing. The clear winner is soft washing. If I was pressure washing, I'd still be on this bottom section and I would not have had good results. So if you're a homeowner who's interested in getting their house washed or have any questions, please give me a comment down below, or you can visit our website at bgsoftwash.com. If you're interested in having your siding done and you're just doing your research like a good homeowner should about who should I hire, just go ahead and hire us, Bluegrass Soft Wash. Like I said, visit our website, bgsoftwash.com. We got all our contact information if you want to get your house washed. Just give us a call or fill out the form link and we'll give you a call back. But hey, thanks for watching. Like and comment. Comment what your thoughts are. Would you pressure wash your home, or would you hire a professional company to soft wash your home?